Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends wherever you're watching me from. This is your sister, your friend once again. This is Agape Love TV. Bless if you today is the first time of coming across this video. Please do me a favor. Just press the red button and press the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video you will be the first to notify. And for those my subscriber, thank you and God bless you. uh my beautiful people, I want to do this video on our normal language now, our normal stuff. So this video na paging, I want to do this video as usual. So I know I please for I'm sorry because anytime I'm doing video I already do miss stop. I missed everything too. I do miss stop when I'm talking. So just bear with me, okay? I'm doing this because of some people that don't understand pidgin. Yeah, that is why I do miss stop. I do because of those people that don't understand pidgin English. So that is why anytime I'm doing video I do mess up. So thank you and God bless you for listening. So this video what I want to show now concerning this our brother, one of our brother for Italy. Although I go put the video for those of us we never see the video, I go put the video so that we go see the video so that we too go use and see. We need this video, you guys need to share it because really the Bible said love your neighbor as you love yourself. Wetin say they no go do you, no do unto another person. When I come across this video I was really touched. I say, how can a fellow human be like us, a fellow human do such thing to his own brother? Yes, it's I will call it your brother, is a brother because we are from the same country. Yeah, as how we are from the same country, we are brothers and sisters. Even as how we are in this world, we are brothers and sisters because we are all one in the sight of God. Whether you are black, whether you are white, we are all one in the sight of God. So when I come across the video, I really touched it. I really felt it. Yeah, the thing it touched me when I seen the video. Say this Europe, everybody know it. But in fact, the whole world now, the epidemic wey dey this world now, this COVID wey dey, many people wey get work, wey get paper to work, so they lose their job because of this COVID. They no dey work again. That I no dey talk of person wey no get paper, I see dey hustle. So the thing when I come across this video, I was so annoying. So this video is about one of our brother in Italy. So according to him, because I'm going to put the video so that you guys will see for yourself. So according to him, he went out as normal stuff to hustle in Italy. You know how it goes there. So while coming back, he came to meet his property outside. He come meet him property for outside, and that day rain dey fall. And we know say this period now cold period now we dey so. Yes, the cold period na dey long pass our summer for Europe. Now so e dey be. Na our cold period na dey long pass. Na dey long pass heat period. And this period now na cold period. This our brother carry this right, he use a tenant property and throw them outside. It's not, and it's not fair. Even if as if this guy is owing you money, you don't need to throw at his things outside. But according to this brother, he said he's not owing you a damn. He know they owe you money, but the guy carrying things go put for outside. And not to, if maybe say they would owe you money, especially in this place now, especially this France now, people they hope their landlord or their landlady, people will keep them for house, they hold them money 2 months, 3 months, because everybody know how this period be now. They know they go, many of them know they work. Just as I felt, so people where they work, say they collect the work for their hand because they say everybody stay in your house first. Now few people now the mileage they work. So now the talk of person now, it go they also they carry money, constantly pay you. You see carry no matter anything the call will not get. You not suppose that brother not supposed to do that thing. So when I seen the video, I really felt for it. The video, I was so touched. Say, how can a brother do this thing to a fellow brother? No, so people wait for this video. I just do not to tell many people. Say, who get today, not get tomorrow. You have to love yourself as you love your neighbor as you love yourself. That is why I sang this song. This song is written by me, but it's in Benin language. I will still use English to interpret it. We sing, "Awemegbe no samedaiman, awemegbe Jesu medaiman, ona tami mawe ni maga awemegbe o runda awemegbo eti awemegbe no samedaiman, awemegbe Jesu medaiman, ona tami mawe ni magawe megbe o runda awe megbo eti. Now listen, English people, love your neighbor. Jesus said to you, love your neighbor. Jesus said to you, love your neighbor. Jesus said to you, love your neighbor as yourself. Love your neighbor. Jesus said to you, brother. Love your neighbor. Jesus said to you, sister. Love your neighbor. Jesus said to you, love your neighbor as you say. However, be no samedaiman. However, be Jesu medaiman. Onata mi ma weni ma. However, be o runda. However, boy eti. That is the song. It's a song written by me, but I'm still trying to fix it. Yeah, before I will release it. I have so many songs like that I have not released yet. I'm working towards it. So you have to love yourself. That what that brother did was wrong. In this call, you throw your own fellow brother things, his property, you throw them outside. Say you no fit do anything, abi? It is not nice. I want you all to share this video. I may let this video get to this brother. I don't know him. He don't know me. Even the person I'm talking about that the things was outside, I don't know him. He himself don't know me. I was just scrolling of Facebook. I come across the video because me too, I'm not just the type that enter Facebook like that. I don't have too much time like that because I'm still working anyway. They have not closed my work. I'm still working, so I just have I have few days vacance holiday, so that is why I say, okay, let me do this video. Let me quickly use this time to do this video. So it was not, when I saw this video I was touched. It's not today I saw the video, but the day I saw that video I was touched, and I say I'm going to talk about it. Please, when you brother, you sister, when you come Europe, now person I see rescue you. One room or whatever sharing apartment where you dey, now person I keep you. Even so that the people don't say the person not do you good. Leave everything for God. Not pay evil for evil. Vengeance is always from God. Vengeance is not for man. So not because say a Mr. B do you bad, you want to Mr. C. No, not be Mr. B do you, not be Mr. C do you the thing where you want to do Mr. C. The worst of it, the thing will pay me pass. Say this very guy, say he not they hold this guy, he not they hold this man. No dey hold whether na man whether na guy, no dey hold. Even though say devil dey hold you, you no need to throw in things outside. You did wrong, brother. You did wrong. I don't know how about the case now. You really did wrong. I don't know how they take contest settle the matter. I don't really can know because I not can follow up again. But the first video which I saw, I was touched, and I said I'm going to make video about it. So brother, sister, who get today, he not get tomorrow. Now the only advice why I say ma can't talk. Now be the only something why I just say ma can't talk. Who get ear make e hear. This video is not only meant for only that incident, only that brother. There are many people still doing those kind of something. Who get today, not get tomorrow. As far as say we don't come this Europe, let us love ourselves. Yes, make we love ourselves. When I let love dey flow, because this land not be for we, not be our land though, not be our land. No, we dey help ourselves. When I let love dey show, dey flow. Now here where we dey, we not get brother, we not get sister. Now this place where we dey, now we go see brother, now we go see sister. Yes, I no know say that they see friend wey pass brother, wey pass sister. So I beg, make we love ourselves. Wetin you know say they no go do you, not do am to another person. Not do am to another person. And the little advice why you say man control na be that. So God bless you all. So please share my video and always leave your comments behind. Okay, God bless you. Bye.
Finish. Now I lock the door. Move. Right, I do with you. And yes, may your day like that.
Let the whole world to see whether this thing is very good for somebody to do to somebody. This is my face. I am Elvis. Everybody know me. I want to tell you why I did that way, bro. What are you doing? I want to tell you. I'm a boy. Every time I go over, he said, I he said, what he put in the page. You know, man, your. Oh, what he says, yes, he will go, he pay go one, yes, he will go. Every year, he will go. He has you that you always every year back in the last way. It's a word that the police say, always is the way I know a webo, or brother webo, or brother webo. He about said of class a webo. Oh, look at the head to 77 webo. Don't give me the wrong way. He also. I shall not see you. I shall not see you. It's so bad, people. What are we talking about? Every time I get there, I don't know. If you go walk every year, you walk. I'm not saying you want me. Every year. Oh, what did you go one of the day and then Sunday no better? And what we continue now? If you get deposit, you get deposit in the NYC. If you get deposit in your now, we're begging. When you're over, we go for the man expire. On the left, we go to expire. When you're there, go on the level. All they can go for the and 30. Even who may not deposit what they're going to I'm not depositing my way. A penny pass through now. I want to never put that day. It's not to make me because you're every time I would have a soda. I've never soda. I've never hour. I'm looking at the David Amano. If you have to want to get I don't tell you never for one other day. You know, I'm a boy, I'm about to say sometimes. I'm about to say, I'm about to say your dog. Every time you do that, also was it, also talk. Also was a talk. I'm not big bear. I'm not big bear. Here, woman, I'm not maybe not getting a sudu. Don't imagine they are only big bear. What's a lot of saying? Don't believe me, no. Dore. E ma ya de mi re no le la fi na gbalegba rere. Wo ya ri ami mi yo na we sunu. Baba na oje afi ye me la jawo e. Uwo ni awo ni ebi wo ni. Ima uwe mi go me deposit. Me deposit mi ya. Me deposit. Igo gwa me mere expire. E ma no idogo na mi ya di jawie. Abi le mi ya kwa. Awo ni we gbe su e for beginning wa dey start so. No be lie. Omo no so ami no sit for border. The doctor say na party. Say we maybe ana we don't do that. If you agbo wa temata yo, o so lo ba ke tire mi o wa be. Nu do wa ni mu, una ya me mi ya wa. Awe tire mi o wa be, e mi ya ni me. Uri ya mi ya me wa isi the Napoli. The Napoli ije. E mi ya mo dia wa. Ika be fio. Agbona ya phone ona mi na we di we la fina. E bo ya be mi o. Ya le se tire so life. Ya le se tire so life. O wa problem e we bo but e mi no wa gba wo ma e we bo. Nu wa ya bege e. Nu wa ya dege mi no wa na gba wo ma e abe video mi so da mi.
E mo sawa.
Wa be mi no wa na gba wo ma e. Di o gege no wi abati ko ri
wa go yi.
Di dem no wa be. We mo go le ni aya sun e.
I wish you never called.
Adegbon ta na de we bo. E Napoli di je. E Napoli ni je ma wo be mi to pa. Omo no wi e mi.
Adeja don ya beri ewe lawe ma ni ya beri ewe me dey see you.
Ina gele wo ma bi don.
Yes, me dey see you.
Okare Casanova. C'était mo le pe ni o
Me dey share am, me wa share life wa no. E na wa gbo mo wa na hin.
Ebi ya me du me ya wa.
E na wa gbo mo wa na hin life wa no wa re life. Ni a share.
O bo we no ya fi o de.
Awe jama first lady wa ya wa share wa mo platform wa. E na Napoli wa like direct.
Me no say o bo
First jama first lady no me say less o. Di mafio wa ya go fe video na wa ga giya. Wa ga giya no wa ga giya. Napoli. Napoli. Wa fi ke o de bloggers ya wa mo video na. Wa mu wa ya wa mu. Yes o. Nobula. E laugh wa no. No, you know that brother. This is very touching. Wa ga our video e. O ma mo savuru e webo. Ave la lady we la lodi wa go e. O ma mo savuru o. Person get say the levels of expire wa fi amerosi. Ga document me ya fe we wa ga e na gbo wa e. Nigeria do wa ga e laugh wa no live direct. Awa mo ye live. Awa ro. Na wa la ave bloggers ni wa mo la o wa le gun ayo wa la o. Wala owo because matter na too is very it's too much our ave de si ni ya mo wa ya mo apartment we we wa one room no ma mo obi yan oko na ngin wa do be for flower do be 10 house e na face we bo na ngin obi awe landlord wa roi
wa mo fi o da na me
na face na ngin
o le ta ma we na wu me na ọmọ no gele we me bi we de ni emi no ma no o me ko le te mo te imo wo go wa se emi me ya ni lo na me wu me ni ya bi
yes na sister if you know the young language go the young English you understand the park property throw away for us I read the first thing it no be say the whole house straight not the whole house straight
but it's
not the whole house straight now the level they pay I bet when I airport the share abeg when I the share all those first jama first lady make the carry am see the note document everything because all those jama and the day when they say they carry apartment person go rent one room for their heart na be this so see property wey dey throw person outside this night well for this cold for Europe this kind of time where say me sleep abeg una dey share we don call police here don call carabineri since they never see respond abeg una dey share very painful something abeg una dey share the video make dey broadcast abeg una dey share very abeg una dey share the video abeg una dey see wetin person dey do human being for Europe amabo too far they no pay too flat they no pay duplex una come see wetin person dey face one room wey person dey rent no be say the whole house rent now the level now the house rent dey expire here wey go pay He get deposit everything. You understand? You understand, bro? We don't call. They don't call carabineri. They say that they call. They don't call carabineri. I mean, that they share that bag. When they share, make people they see. All those first German lady, the Murphy, you have all of them. I beg. When they see this video. When they see, all the bloggers when I carry this video, I beg. When I carry, when I put on a platform, when I see talk, when I talk, when I don't do anything, bro. This is very day shocking. Not be like if they call back, I believe call yesterday. I carry my document, I carry come out. Make they see. But I don't say make I come out. Make they iron the issue. This thing pay me. It is very touching. When they share out, when they share out, they see live direct. When they share out, when they share out, see property for this guy cool. Where person want go sleep? When I go sleep, this guy cool. See how the person with this. See how when I see how what the they do human being, what the person they do with this. See how property or for this kind of cool. See, I don't make sense, my brother. I know I want to go see this kind of thing. We go happy put now. Document this. I na raid for since every rain. See how every raid for since for Europe. Police and the call since police never respond. I bet when they share on. Yes, now.
You see, yes, sir. You see, I scatter your team. You see, I scatter your team. May you see how way you scatter by yourself.
I will not.
Even I can you what I to not baby Baba now. This I don't enter all the open everything. I boss everything. This
that's okay.
And I go do one. On va passer tester. Il y a you to not very when you are bad. On va passer tester. You were Elvis. You were not be like
Elvis. Leave our bars.
Il y a why now. On va passer tester. You when you are
other people don't still call Ogba.
I feel do one.
Now double.
But I'm not telling maybe me
that
see.
is just a job.
Bro, police, carabineri, all of them. Jesus, understand? This is not make sense. This not make sense. Don't make sense. About myself, me go carry my document for his ass. Come, make your boss come. I show them my document. What did happen, sir, for Europe?
I know. Ekenia vie di mana ye mi rokpa ke beke ya. O salobo. Oh kakame. Salobo kakame. I know they owe you money. My deposit there with you. My deposit there with you. To God and man, my deposit there with you. I know they owe you money. Not be lie. My deposit there with you. You not give me my deposit. You say my come up for us. You pack on my load. You scatter everything. You scatter everything where I get. If not good thing, if not bad thing. Make the whole world more than they see. If not good thing, not bad thing. Now you do. Make the whole world make talk put. Make the talk put for the matter. The whole world go see and I is for Napoli. Now do me this thing. With his sister, now I call that man say, now what they want to do me be that one. Now they do me this thing. Make the whole world see. If I first do you, God day. So you say, now what you want to do? As you already do, you don't do. You don't do your work when. Who are they become? Who are they become? Not same way. Now you they owe me deposits. I know they owe you money. What you call it? Show you park on my property. You waste everything. You waste everything. Now you say you put me for a cycle. You want to say if they find the way I want to go start again. You put me for a cycle. God will not say now good thing you do me. You good in a bad ammo. Prendi questo per no staff fuori. Prendi questo scappa per tu la no per fare doccia.
Roba schifosa, non voglio, lascia per quella...
No, va bene per fare doccia, quanto andare in bagno. Ok, oh, Ikba, venu wa bere na. Ikba izemi ya bonu salobwa. O salobwa ogbini gbinane. O salobwa ogbini gbina ogbinane milane moruru.